If you're a motocross fan, then you must have a dream like me, which is riding Glen Helen. So when I was on my last day of my California trip in October, that's exactly what I did. I rented a bike and I went to Glen Helen on a Thursday. Let me take you guys through one of the best days of my life.
Okay, today is gonna be the best day ever because we are heading to Glen Helen Raceway, where I rented a motocross bike. We're gonna go shred some laps with the California motocross holiday, but I haven't ridden in 2 years, so it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I am so excited. Teresa and I are on a 10-day Cali trip, and I've been waiting for this the whole time. Teresa, are you excited? Even Teresa's excited. See, this is gonna be a great day.
We were staying in Venice Beach and leaving from the hotel in the morning. I was ready to go with my motocross pants already on. Got to stop for some Starbucks in the morning, then we headed out. It was super foggy around Venice Beach area, but once we started to get on the highway, it cleared up and it was looking like a beautiful day. So we made it to the Glen Helen Raceway, and I had no idea where to park, but I was always on the lookout for the Pro Circuit truck because I am a huge Monster Energy Kawasaki Pro Circuit fan. They are my favorite team, so just seeing them there, and I was just super psyched.
Show up, this is the rig that they have that they show up to. Holy fuck, there's Cameron Mcadoo. Holy fuck, holy fuck, it's them. That's my favorite thing. I want to park right here.
Do it. Go say hi.
Holy fuck. Oh god, you're videotaping.
Eventually I found my parking spot with my rental bike, which was right up the top here, and as you can see just down below me is the Pro Circuit truck. We were parked so close, it was amazing. And then later I found out down here was the Honda HRC rig with Joe Shimoda.
My life, this is the best day of my life. Okay, I need you to...
Now I'm all geared up, and after some quick pointers from the guy I rented the bike from, it's time to get on track.
This is the best day of my life.
After getting warmed up and spending a couple laps on the vet track, it was time to hit the main Glen Helen track. Now, I haven't rode in 2 years, so at this point, it's been an hour or two, and I'm absolutely exhausted. But I worked my way over to the Monster Energy Pro Circuit rig, finally got a picture with Cameron Mcadoo. That's right, balls out Cameron Mcadoo before he became famous. Then we went and walked around the grandstands a little bit, and I found the Honda HRC rig with Joe Shimoda, who was my favorite rider at PC before he switched. Got a photo with him and his trainer Nick, so that made me extremely happy. And then I saw that Joe was heading out on the track again. I was like, all right, time to mount up and go do some more laps. I was able to get this nice clip on the GoPro of Joe just flying by me, and then within like 2 corners, he's just gone. Yep, and then that's Vincent Wave flying by me on his Super Mini. Now at this point it's 12 or 1 o'clock and it is so hot. I'm exhausted. I've been riding for hours. 89 degrees Fahrenheit. So I hide in the car, take the drone up in the sky, and I get some pretty sweet shots. And then I sneak on over to the Supercross compounds and see the other PC trucks there with other people testing. And then on the way back I spotted Mcadoo running a hot lap, so I decided to follow him around for a bit. So that brings an end to my day at Glen Helen, and it's still only 2 or 3 p.m. or something, so Teresa and I decided to stop in for some ice cream because it is boiling outside. We needed something to cool us down. And then it was time to head to a super special place.
Okay, so I just finished racing or riding at Glen Helen, which was just a surreal experience. I actually saw who's on the billboard, Cameron Mcadoo there, and I got a photo with him. That was fantastic. But we came in, we stopped in at Pro Circuit because I just wanted to buy a t-shirt because I'm here in Corona, California, so why not just stop in? And literally my favorite race team. Let's go check it out.
Alright, now we're back on the highway and a little bit of time to kill before dinner time.
Okay, so Pro Circuit was awesome. I picked up the Team T, super pumped to have that. Also got to see all of the Adam Cincerillo, the Dean Wilson, all the championship bikes is awesome. And now we are here at K1 Speed, and Teresa and I are going to do a little bit of go-karting before our planned dinner. So let's see how that goes. Holy shit, it's fucking massive. That's amazing. That's all I got for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing a little bit motocross style of my life. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out. Teresa and I are going to dinner now, so catch you later.
Yeah, worth it? Excited. Yeah,
Babe, this does not look good for TikTok. The heck?
Oh my. Delicious.
Well, that is.
Right in there again. Okay, freak me out, bro.
What is that?
It's all in my mouth.